Hi and welcome to String Maestro. In this video I'm going to be exploring the first study on the grade 2 Trinity exam called Somewhere on the Swings. This is in the key of A major. In A major you might think that you would, for the first three notes, you'd play a first to a third finger, but in actual fact that makes it very difficult to stretch to the third note, which is a C sharp. Another option which I would recommend is instead stretching between the 1 and the first two notes with using a 1 to a 2, and then the fourth finger is just sitting over the C sharp. 1 to 2 is much easier to stretch than a 3 to a 4. So the fingering in A major is going to be 1, 2, 4, open, then 1, 2, 4, open. So it's the same pattern on the D string as it is in the A string. So the scale is going to look like this. So there we have it. So here is Somewhere on the Strings. I'd recommend a tempo of 133. It's described with a lilt, so it has a sort of an in-one feel. It's also marked legato, so use lots of bow. They're looking for tone and phrasing. There's only one use of a third finger, which is in bar 10, 11, 12, 13. So watch out for that. So here we go. So 1, 2, 3. Sing it out. And there you have it. Have fun.